Something unexpected is unfolding in North America's defense industry, and its effects could reach far beyond military bases. Canada is exploring deeper partnerships with European companies like Saab and Airbus, raising new questions about aerospace manufacturing, technology transfer, and the future of cross-border industrial cooperation. But the real story isn't just about aircraft. It's about factories, supply chains, engineering talent, and billions in potential investment. Welcome back to your ultimate pit stop, Piston Pundit. Today we're breaking down 5 developments that could reshape Canada's defense strategy and influence the next generation of advanced manufacturing across North America. Number 5. Saab's GlobalEye, Canada's aerospace future takes a sharp turn. One of the most significant developments is Canada's decision to negotiate with Saab after identifying the Swedish firm as its preferred choice for a future airborne early warning capability. Instead of selecting Boeing's E-7 Wedgetail, discussions are centered on the GlobalEye system, built on the Canadian-designed Bombardier Global 6500 business jet. That detail matters. Like an automaker choosing to build around a proven chassis, Saab's approach leverages an existing Canadian platform while potentially supporting domestic engineering, maintenance, and high-value manufacturing jobs. The GlobalEye combines advanced airborne radar with maritime and ground surveillance, making it well-suited for Arctic monitoring and NORAD-related missions. Although negotiations are still underway, the broader message is clear. Canada increasingly values industrial participation, technology partnerships, and long-term manufacturing capability alongside military performance. But GlobalEye is only part of the story. Canada's fighter strategy may be evolving as well. Number 4. Canada's fighter strategy. New priorities challenge old assumptions. Canada's GlobalEye negotiations have also renewed attention on its broader fighter strategy. While Ottawa continues with its previously announced F-35 commitments, policymakers are increasingly weighing industrial benefits, operational flexibility, and long-term supply chain resilience alongside military capability. Saab continues to market the Gripen by highlighting domestic assembly, technology transfer, Canadian jobs, and greater software sovereignty. Although no changes to Canada's current fighter plans have been announced, the discussion reflects evolving priorities. For automotive enthusiasts, it's like choosing between 2 performance cars. Peak horsepower grabs attention, but maintenance costs, parts availability, software updates, and local support often determine long-term value. Defense procurement works much the same way. Increasingly, governments are looking beyond raw performance and focusing on economic returns, domestic expertise, and industrial resilience when making major acquisition decisions. And the shift doesn't stop with fighter jets. Helicopters tell another important story. Number 3. Airbus and Canada, a partnership built beyond aircraft sales. While fighter jets often dominate headlines, Airbus's growing interest in Canada highlights a broader industrial strategy. The company views Canada as a long-term partner, recognizing its skilled workforce, engineering expertise, and export potential. Airbus already has an established presence in the country and continues exploring opportunities to expand manufacturing, maintenance, research, and support operations. It's a strategy familiar to the automotive industry, where local production strengthens supply chains, creates jobs, and reduces logistical risk. Future helicopter programs could boost investment in avionics, composites, software, electronics, and precision machining while supporting domestic suppliers. For vehicle enthusiasts, the lesson is clear. Lasting value comes from building an entire industrial ecosystem, not simply delivering finished products. That approach could strengthen Canada's advanced manufacturing capabilities for decades to come. But the next development could have an even bigger industrial impact. And before we reveal our top 2 developments, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to Piston Pundit. Your support helps us continue bringing you in-depth coverage of the vehicles, technologies, and global trends shaping the future of transportation. Number 2. Canada's Submarine program, a manufacturing revolution beneath the surface. While aircraft have dominated recent headlines, Canada's future submarine program may prove to be the most influential manufacturing project on the horizon. Ottawa is reviewing proposals for a new conventionally powered fleet, and bidders are offering far more than submarines. They're pitching long-term economic partnerships. The packages include technology transfer, maintenance hubs, workforce training, research collaboration, and investments in domestic supply chains. It's similar to an automaker deciding where to build a next-generation EV plant. The factory is only the beginning. Suppliers, robotics firms, software developers, steel producers, and precision machining companies often benefit for decades. If substantial production and sustainment work remains in Canada, the ripple effects could extend across multiple industries. The decision is shaping up to be about building an industrial ecosystem, not simply acquiring new military hardware. But one bigger theme connects everything we've covered so far. Number 1, defense procurement, the surprising engine-driving industrial growth. Looking at the bigger picture, Canada's procurement philosophy appears to be evolving beyond simply buying military equipment. Recent developments involving Saab, Airbus, fighter discussions, and submarine proposals all suggest a broader objective: strengthen domestic manufacturing while enhancing national defense capabilities. For automotive enthusiasts, the comparison is easy to appreciate. Successful vehicle programs rely on localized production, resilient supply chains, skilled labor, and continuous innovation, not just impressive horsepower figures. Defense projects increasingly follow the same blueprint. Canadian companies specializing in avionics, composites, software engineering, artificial intelligence, advanced materials, and precision machining could benefit if industrial participation remains a priority. Importantly, this diversification does not replace Canada's long-standing cooperation with the United States through NORAD and NATO. Instead, it reflects a strategy of broadening partnerships while reinforcing domestic expertise and long-term economic resilience. Taken together, these developments lead to one clear conclusion. Verdict: beyond the assembly line, Canada's bigger manufacturing bet emerges. Taken together, these developments highlight how defense procurement and industrial policy are becoming increasingly interconnected. Aircraft, helicopters, submarines, electronics, software, and advanced manufacturing all contribute to a nation's technological strength. In much the same way modern powertrains combine engines, electric motors, batteries, and control systems into one integrated package. For viewers of Piston Pundit, this story reaches far beyond military headlines. Many of the same engineering disciplines, supplier networks, lightweight materials, and precision manufacturing techniques also power tomorrow's vehicles. As negotiations continue throughout 2026, Canada appears focused on using major procurement programs to encourage innovation, expand domestic capability, and diversify international partnerships. The long-term impact may be measured not only in new defense platforms but also in stronger factories, highly skilled jobs, and advanced technologies that influence North American manufacturing for years to come. And with the story still unfolding, we'd love to hear your perspective. Do you think Canada's growing partnerships with European defense companies will strengthen its manufacturing sector? Could strategies like technology transfer and local production offer lessons for the automotive industry? Which development do you believe will have the biggest long-term impact? GlobalEye, Airbus cooperation, the submarine program, or future fighter procurement? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to subscribe to Piston Pundit and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest vehicle updates, industry analysis, and upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, check out one of the videos on your screen. There's plenty more to explore.